Ladies, today is your last chance to book in for our next women's event this Saturday. So if you want to come along for pizza and play, then you can book online or contact the office for more details. Now that half term is over, all our children and young people events are going to be happening this week. So on Friday, 180 Up is going to be happening, where my brother Adam Bardwaj is going to be coming as the guest speaker. So make sure you come along to that.
Hi everyone at Excel Church. I am excited, super excited, to be coming to do my show with you guys on the 14th of March. I've done Bob's Not My Uncle in Melbourne, Australia, in America, all over the UK, but I am super excited about coming to Bilston and doing it with you guys. It is going to be a laugh, it's going to be a lot of fun. Get your tickets, get your world there, make sure you come.
We're going to be running a marriage course over the next 2 weeks at church on Sunday the 1st of March and Sunday the 8th of March from 2:30. So if you want to come along, if you're married or if you're planning to get married, then do come along to those sessions that we'll be putting on here at Excel Church. Our annual church weekend away, Strength Will Rise, is happening at the end of May. So if you're booked in already, then make sure you make your final payment by the 1st of March. And if you're not booked in but you're interested, then speak to Heather or a member of our welcome team and we'll be able to give you more information. There's about 200 people coming already and there's still accommodation available. So make sure you get some information about it. That's all for Excel News this week. If you want any more information, then head to our website, get us on social media, or speak to one of our welcome team members.